Before AC compressor not working and now working. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? This is MG 2021 and now this car have a problem, AC not working. Okay, so today I will show you what is the AC fuse relay, why AC not working. I will show you. Okay, this is accident car. First of all, check fuse box, which one for AC I will show you. F36 for compressor, AC compressor. Okay, where is F36 is here, that means this one for AC I check already. This is fuse is perfect. And then check compressor. See, here is the AC compressor, and when this car accident, see valve damage, AC compressor valve broken. See, that's the first problem. And then I see here AC pressure switch wire is there, but AC pressure switch not fixed. See, that's also problem. So if your MG car AC not working, check all those things: compressor valve, fuse, and pressure sensor. Okay, I replaced already sensor and everything. Okay, you can see before compressor not working, now working perfect. Great success.